In this video, we will learn how to calculate pOH when the only thing we are having is hydrogen ion concentration. So let's say you have hydrogen ion concentration and you want to get pOH. There are many ways to do this. First, you can find your pH and then find your pOH from your pH. Second, you can find your hydroxyl ion concentration and then find your pOH from your hydroxyl ion concentration. Then you can find it directly. From your hydrogen ion concentration, you can directly get your pOH. There are two ways for this. So, firstly, let's say you have hydrogen ion concentration to be 10 raised to power minus 6 molar. And you want to find the pOH. You can say pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Then you get your pH. And then from your pH, since you know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So automatically, we can say pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. So here you say pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. Another way is saying from here, you can use your ion product. Say hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to ion product, which is Kw, over hydrogen ion concentration. Kw is a constant and the value is 1 times 10 raised to power minus 14 molar square. Then from OH you can find pOH by saying pOH is equal to the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Another way is to incorporate pH into this formula. So instead of we having pH, you could just have the whole of this here. So if we do that, we are going to have pOH equal to 14 minus, then the whole of this, let's put this in a bracket, and pH is negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. So we say negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. And this is our third way. And lastly, we could also incorporate the concentration of hydroxyl ion, which is the whole of this, into this formula. So we have negative log of the whole of this, and that will give us pOH is equal to negative log of. So at this point you have to be very careful. So let's put the whole thing in a bracket. So open bracket, Kw over hydrogen ion concentration, close bracket. So now we have 4 ways of dealing with the question. So now let's solve using the first method. So we have to first find the pH, and pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. In this case, that will be 10 raised to power minus 6 minus log of 10 raised to power minus 6, close brackets, is equal to 6. So our pH is equal to 6. Then from this we could find our pOH, which is equal to 14 minus pH, and our pH is 6. So pOH is equal to 14 minus 6, and that is 8. So that's our first method. The second method is that we could find the hydroxyl ion concentration. So let's do that first. And we could say hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to Kw, which is the ion product, over hydrogen ion concentration. Our Kw is a constant, 10 raised to power minus 14 molar square. So we could say hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 molar square over 10 raised to power minus 6 molar. Molar cancel molar, and let's just remove the square because molar square is molar times molar. So we remove 1 molar, we have 1 molar. Now our calculator, let's say open bracket 10 raised to power minus 14 close bracket divided by open bracket 10 raised to power minus 6 close bracket. That's 10 raised to power minus 8. So our hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus 8 molar. Then from here we could say pOH is equal to negative log of hydroxyl ion concentration, which is 10 raised to power minus 8. So 10 raised to power minus 8 negative log of, since that's our former answer, we could just say answer close brackets, and that is 8. So when you just finish an operation with your calculator, the last answer you get, so when you are having another calculation, you can just call that answer by pressing answer, then you have it there. So this answer here currently is standing as 10 raised to power minus 8. So pOH is equal to 8. You see, we have the same answer. Now let's try our two formulas. Our third method, which is our first generic formula, actually that's my favorite, so is pOH is equal to 14 minus open bracket minus log of hydrogen ion concentration. So pOH is equal to 14 minus log of hydrogen ion concentration. So our calculator, say 14 minus open bracket minus log of hydrogen ion concentration, which is 10 raised to power minus 6 close bracket close bracket. This first bracket is for this, the second one is for this, is equal to 8. We have our answer direct, so it's equal to 8. Then our second generic formula, which is pOH is equal to minus log of open bracket ion products over hydrogen ion concentration. pOH is equal to minus log of open bracket ion products over hydrogen ion concentration close bracket minus log of open bracket. Our ion product is 10 raised to power minus 14, it's a constant, divided by 10 raised to power minus 6, then close bracket, and we have our final answer to be 8. So our pOH once again is 8. So irrespective of the method you use, you are still going to get the same answer. Practice this question, it will help you a lot. Thanks for watching.